A jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol, and now the percentage of alcohol was found to be 26%. The quantity of whiskey replaced is. Okay. Now understand the concept here. So we have this jar. It is full of whiskey previously. Okay. Now some part of it is replaced. Okay. So let's say that some part of it is stolen. Okay. And this is the remaining part. Okay. So the strength of this remains 40% itself. Okay. Because that was the strength of the original jar full whiskey. So even if this part is stolen, the remaining quantity's strength is the same, that is 40%. Now this empty part is filled up now with 19% alcohol. Okay. So this is the replaced part. Okay. Now 19% and 40% mix up together and eventually it is given the strength of the alcohol becomes 26%. Okay. So now we can easily do it. So 40 we write down over here, 19 over here. So this is the replaced part. Okay. And this is the remaining quantity. Okay. So remaining everything we are writing down on the left side, replaced everything we are writing down on the right hand side. Here, eventually, what is the final percentage? It is 26. So now we do cross subtraction. 26 minus 19 is 7 and 40 minus 26 is 14. So this we can reduce it to 1 is to 2. Okay. So the remaining quantity to replaced quantity is 1 is to 2. Now the question asked is the quantity of whiskey replaced is, or another type of wording is what part of the liquid is replaced. So in such questions, what you have to do is write down this in the numerator. So 2 upon 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 2/3 part is replaced. So the answer here will be option B.